can speak more about that. But in terms of amateur competition, like what Manila is missing is that a lot of the competitions here are like missing like officials. It's very casual and formal. There's no systematic way of doing amateur events. So we wanted to be the first to hire ABAP to officiate all of our competitions, where all the fighters have a red book and record all their fights. That way it's impossible for people to lie about their records and stuff like that when they're joining the competitions. So yeah.
Ceremony.
Yes, so one thing also that aside, continuing what Rance mentioned, a lot of the vision that we see is, yes, it is a platform for a more specialized, for fighters or for avid boxers to really bring their game up to a certain level. But then, as also Rance mentioned, when we hold events like this, it has to be with a standard professionalism that is applied for proper amateur. And that's the only way we will be able to produce good fighters moving into the pros. They will not learn the way it's supposed to be if the grassroots system is not properly done. And that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to secure a proper place for an avenue for the grassroots to flourish here. And usually when that happens, it opens doors for either a more professional fighter or a more professional coach to come out of it. But there's going to be more doors opening as long as you basically plant the right seeds. So that's what we see for Golden Boy.
Sir Pete.
So ayun, gaya ng sabi ko kanina, isa sa mga goal namin talaga is to be the fighters, no? Tsaka doon naman sa professional, nagpa-plan din kami, no? Which is hindi pa namin talaga napag-usapan pa na magkaroon ng open sparring sa lahat ng mga pros dito sa gym para mabigyan din ng magandang equipments din yung mga fighters, mag-sparring, safe sila, yung ring, okay yung ring, yung bands, at saka magtutulungan din kasi yun naman yung yung may kasabihan nga na sharp as iron, iron sharp, sharp as iron di ba? So, lahat ng mga pros pupunta dito, ipag-sparring, mag-usap, ganyan, magtutulungan. So, yun naman yung as a fighter, yun yung isa sa mga natutunan ko na may exposure din, no? Na magtulungan para pagdating sa laban, na may natutunan kami sa nasasalan. So, yun.
Okay, lastly, follow-up lang. Sir Pete, mamaya at 4 o'clock magaganap nga yung second edition ng Golden Boy Amateur Boxing Challenge. This is the continuation nga ng ginawa niyong grassroots amateur program na inilunsan nyo last year. I was there dun sa Victoria Sports noong 2024 rather. Pero of course, ano ba mga i-expect natin and magtutuloy-tuloy ba ito yearly as times goes by? Lalo na, meron na tayong proper venue na pwede natin isagawa. Thank you.
So yun, kung napapansin nyo, after nung first amateur Golden Boy amateur event ko last 2024, no, na hindi agad nasundan kasi nag-focus din ako as a fighter. Kaya nasabi ko, hindi ako parang businessman lang, kundi fighter talaga ako. So after nun, medyo natagal na, ngayon pa lang nasundan dahil nagkaroon ako ng business partner na tumulong talaga sa akin. So hindi ko ibigay yung credit lahat sa akin. Although sa akin nakapangalan yung gym, Golden Boy, pero hindi ako lahat yung nagtrabaho. Si Rance, Kuya Muni, yung kuya ko lahat, sila yung nagasikaso sa mga officiating. ABAP, thank you so much po sa Team ABAP po sa pagsuporta dito. So, ayun po, ito po yung pangalawang event na mangyayari. No, sana maganda yung kinalabasan. And for sure, maganda and systematic talaga kasi ABAP yung ginawa namin, no? So, walang mga foul punches or mga unnecessary na mga suntok, galaw. At dito din sila matututo lahat ng fighters kung ano yung mga pagkakamali nila. Kasi yun naman yung main goal, hindi lang siya to fight Hindi, may mga bata na gusto maging national team. So paano sila magiging national team kung yung mga suntok nila is hindi proper, hindi nila alam na mali pala yung ginagawa nila. So yun yung isa sa mga kaibahan namin dito sa gym namin na boxing club, competition na quality yung mga officiating namin. Yun ang po, salamat.
Ito.